This is how you cook during a hurricane. I've had power off, let's see now, since about 7:30 or 8 o'clock or so. So it is now past midnight. I got the dogs fed, got my medicine done, but I'm starved. There's no power around here, so here I am. This is how you cook during a hurricane. Well, this is lit up better than I thought it was. Oh, that's my lantern over there. There we go. Well, that's dark. Got my little gasoline stove sitting in here, and I'm fixing me a burger. So, everybody else is out there. There's people out there a lot worse than I am right now. So, this is just Butch on here. I'll try to load this up when the power comes back on.